Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're already my subscriber, thank you for coming back. So guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious, soft, fluffy and delicious chocolate banana bread. This is a very easy recipe to follow. So guys, I will walk you guys through the ingredients. So here we have 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 3 tablespoon condensed milk, half cup of milk, 2 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add more sugar if you want that extra sweetness. 2 cups of flour, 4 ripe bananas, and we have this chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips. And at this point now, we're gonna start with our bananas. We're gonna mash our bananas till it comes to a puree. And our bananas are all mashed. So at this point now, we're gonna start with the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar, and next we're gonna add our condensed milk, and next we're gonna go ahead and add our egg. Next we're gonna add our melted butter and the milk. We'll go ahead and add the vanilla extra, and now we're gonna mix everything till it's well combined. Make sure everything is well mixed till it's combined. Keep mixing. Now after thoroughly mixing everything to combine, we go ahead and start with the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna go ahead and sieve our 2 cups of flour, the dark chocolate, the baking powder, the baking soda, everything. We're gonna go ahead and sieve this directly into the wet ingredients. The dry ingredients should be gently sieved in the wet ingredients. After sieving, we're gonna go ahead and gently fold in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. You don't want to over mix this, just mix it to combine everything. And you can use any baking pan of your choice, that's up to you. Make sure this is the texture and this is the mixture, and this is how the mixture looks like. In my baking pan here, I just put a little bit of butter in it, and now I'll go ahead and pour my mixture into the baking pan, and I'll be baking this on 250 degrees for 1 hour. So this is our mixture. I will go ahead and add some dark chocolate chips in it. Just decorate the top with dark chocolate chips. You can put as much as you want, and you can decorate it any on any shape or anyhow you want it. If you want to line up your dark chocolate chips, that's fine. You just decorate it the way you want the decorate. If you just want to like throw it around the way I did, that's still fine. At this point, I'm just gonna tap this to take out the excess air that is trapped inside, and we'll be baking this for 250 degrees for 1 hour. Guys, our chocolate banana bread is ready. See how delicious it looks. Let's go in and review what we have in the inside. Guys, this is a no fail recipe. Go try this recipe and you won't regret it. This is really delicious, guys. See how nice, oh my god, see how soft, fluffy and moist this bread is. Try this method and you won't regret it. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Please like, share, comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.